welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
This is the Hot Wheels for You Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Giveaway. We have a winner. That's right. In order to promote this channel, we will be giving away a Hot Wheels treasure hunt car from our collection every month until they are all gone. We have a bunch of them, so this might take a while. The car to be given away this month is the Hot Wheels 35th Anniversary Treasure Hunt Muscle Tone, released in 2003. The Treasure Hunt Muscle Tone features a black paint job with flamed hood and sides, tinted windshields, and gold-plated underbody and wheels. This car is sometimes considered to be a super treasure hunt because it sports real rider rubber tires. And it also features the Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Tampo on its roof. We have a winner. So without further ado, the winner of this month's Hot Wheels for You Treasure Hunt giveaway is CG00RC. Congratulations, and a special thanks to all who entered the drawing. This prize ships only to a USA address. The prize must be claimed within 30 days of drawing end or be forfeited for use in future drawings. Stay tuned for more exciting Hot Wheels for You videos and giveaways coming soon. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You.